feeling hungry, don't wait too long. Well, Taste is the place where you belong. Well, Taste, come together, relax with the vibe. Delicious food that makes you enjoy life. After a long day and your body feels tired, come right here where happiness is inspired. Crispy lechon kawali served on your plate, golden and tasty, you won't wanna wait. Chicken in a salt fresh from the grill, one smell of the flavor gives you the thrill. So juicy and perfectly seasoned right, every single bite brings pure delight. Unlimited rice, you know you'll be full. Well, Taste experience is wonderful. Pancit and lami, hot soup on the table. On a chilly night, it's the perfect comfort flavor. Not just food that you will receive, but beautiful memories that you will believe. When you're with your friends, the night feels better. When you're with your family, smiles last forever. Stories, laughter, moments to remember. Well, Taste is the place for everyone together.
Come and feel the reggae vibe tonight. Good food, good mood, everything's alright. Chicken in the salad, unlimited rice too. Chicken barbecue waiting for you. From chicken to seafood, flavor so nice. At Well Taste, it's paradise. Raise your hands, sing along tonight. Well Taste, bringing good vibes, alright.
Large, loosen. One Taste, so delicious you come back again, my friend. Pizza on the table, the crew is ready. Cold drinks beside us, the mood is steady. Sweet halo, halo to finish the meal. A perfect combination that everyone feels. Creamy milkshake, fresh lemonade. One sip only, your stress starts to fade. Kids are laughing, elders sharing stories. Everyone is welcome to create new memories. Chicken barbecue, straight from the fire. Smoky flavor, taking you higher. Sizzling dishes, filling the air. A fiesta feeling everywhere.
When the night arrives, the lights shine bright. Reggae music playing, everybody feels alive. It's our skank hitting your heart so strong. Bass keeps bouncing as we dance along. Selfie here, get you there.
Share the moment because the place is rare. Friends forever, memories forever. Well Taste moments we treasure together.
You don't need an expensive place, just great food with a happy taste. Simple gatherings become something special because good food brings joy to everyone. Come and feel the reggae vibe tonight. Good food, good mood, everything's alright. Chicken in the salt, unlimited rice too. Chicken barbecue, delicious for you. From chicken to seafood, flavor so nice. At Well Taste, it's paradise. Sing it loud, everybody say, Well Taste is the place today.
Every plate that we taste together, old stories and laughter we remember. Not only our stomachs are satisfied, but the hearts are filled with joy inside. My friends, don't ever forget when you're searching for something great. Come to Well Taste and enjoy the moment where happiness will never end. Reggae on the beat, flavor on the plate. Well Taste, goodness never too late. Morning, afternoon or night time, come and enjoy this amazing vibe. Chicken in a salad, barbecue flame, a delicious flavor with a winning name. Unlimited rice and a smile on your face. Good food here makes your day better every day. Barkada check, family check.
Every guest is welcome, that's the perfect vibe.
Good food, good life, good energy. Well Taste forever in our memory.
Come and feel the reggae vibe tonight. Good food, good mood, everything's alright. Chicken in a salad, unlimited rice too. Chicken barbecue, everybody loves you. From chicken to seafood, flavor so nice. Well Taste feels like paradise. One more time, sing it with pride. Well Taste forever by our side.
Lhongz, loser. Well Taste,
Well yeah,
Lhongz Music Vibes.
you will always come back again. Well Taste the flavor inside your heart.